Hello everyone, welcome to the TSS. In this class we are going to discuss about for of loop, right? In the last class we had dealt with for in loop. In this class we will discuss for of loop. This for of loop is frequently used to iterate over arrays or other iterable objects like strings. Okay, string is also an iterable object, friends. It belongs to the category of sequence data types. Okay, these for in or for of loops is specially designed to iterate over these sequence data types, friends. Okay, now let us see the syntax. For iter variable means iterating variable, and the keyword of should be used, and then the array. It may be an array or it may be a string, both will be placed here, right? And then the code block starts. The block of statements will be written inside these curly braces, and then the next statements. Okay, so let us analyze with an example. Let us say, suppose we are having an array, say car, BMW, Benz, Audi. This is an array, right? If you want to loop through these, then you can implement that loop with the for of. Let us see it. For iterating variable where I of, that is the keyword, then the array. Here the array name is car, so the bracket closed, then code block opened. This is the block of statements. Console.log of I means what now? So the interpreter, after coming across this statement, what it does is it see the array, it see the first element. The first element will be loaded into the I, then it will goes, the control goes inside the block and it will execute this code block, and then it will comes again and it will take the next element. It will put this, it will load this element into the I, then it will go for inside the code block and execute this bit of code, and this process goes on and on until the list elements exhausted. Okay, and then if the list elements exhausted, then the program control comes to the next statements, executing next statements, friends. And the same mechanism will be implemented for strings also. For example, take where name is equal to Veera Raghava, like that, and it is a string, right? So if you want to loop through this string, the same mechanism will be implemented for where I of name. Okay, name means this one. So what it will do, it will go to the string, it will see the string is there, then it will take the first letter, that is V, and then it will place that V inside the I variable. Then it will, the control will go to the code block and it will execute the code. Then again the control will come to this name and it will point to next letter, this time E, and then E will be stored in the variable I. Then again the control goes inside the block and it execute the code block. Like that it will goes on and on until no more letters is there. So then the control comes out of that loop and it will goes on executing the next statements, friends. Okay, let us demonstrate it. For of .js. Okay, for of .js, where I think, let us take this example, copy this example because I am lazy. Okay, cars, it is an array. Okay, it is an array. Now instead of in, just I am putting of, that's it. For n of cars, what this will do, it take rd first and it will put that, load this first element inside the n variable, then it will go and print the next statement, the block statement, right? This time n, the n is enough. Okay, so unlike for in loop, the n is enough here. Okay, array elements was printed. Let us save it, clear the output console, node, execute the file. What this file name is for of .js. Here you can see the names was printed. No, I didn't give in the earlier case. In the earlier case we had given console cars of n, like that we had given for in loop. So for R loop directly it will take that RD and then it will provide the output. So it will go and take the bench and put it into the inside the n, and the control comes to the code block. After executed, then again the control goes to the card's next element, this coda will be loaded into the n, and then the control comes inside the code block. It will execute the code block and then goes. So until these all the elements are exhausted, then the control comes completely out of this loop and it will execute the next statement. Here you can see after printing all the elements, the program control get out of that loop and then printed the 8th line. So array elements was printed, right? And for let me comment it out. Let me take a name. A name is equal to Veera Raghav. Okay. So then we have to change here also name. So what it will do? It will go take the first letter out of this string. It will place this V inside the n, and the control goes inside the code block. It will be executed. Then again it will take the E and put into the n, then control goes to the code block. Like that it will repeat until the letters, total letters exhausted in the string. Friends, okay, let us clear it, execute it. You can see it will printed vertically V E E R A R A G H A V A V Raghava, right? So this is the mechanism, friends, for of loop, right? So this note is for of loop doesn't work with objects, friends. So this is the note, a side note. So and in the next class we will discuss about the while loop, friends. Till then, bye bye. Yours Veera signing off. Thank you for listening.